Hi friends, I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm excited to share with you a very useful project that I'll be making using a $2 50 buck converter module, which is perfect for beginners. To start, I have a 12 volts, 1.5 ampere transformer. And I'll be using the two side wires. To convert the AC to DC, I'll be using a diode bridge rectifier and a 50 volt, 3,300 microfarad capacitor. The middle two legs of the bridge rectifier will serve as the AC input. And then I'll solder the capacitor to the positive and negative output legs. I'll also be using alligator wire clips for the output. Upon measuring the output, I get 39 volts DC. Next, I'll connect the DC volts from the transformer to the input of the buck converter module. The module has two buttons, one for turning it on and off, and the other for switching between the total voltage and the selected voltage. Additionally, this module has short circuit protection, which is a great feature. Since the inbuilt display of the module is not visible, I've connected a multimeter to the output. As you can see, friends, this has now become a variable power supply, capable of handling up to 5 amperes. Let's test it with different variable and constant voltage outputs to see how it performs.